India, a land where a new mystery lies hidden within every page of history. Mysteries of such magnitude that, if unveiled, they could change the very fabric of the world. In the aftermath of war, Ashoka resolved that knowledge must be safeguarded. He gathered together the 9 greatest scientists and scholars of the world. Thus was formed a secret society, the 9 Unknown Men. These 9 individuals were entrusted with 9 books, each containing a vast repository of scientific knowledge. Yet, this knowledge was so potent, so dangerous, that it had to be kept from falling into the wrong hands. The first book focused on propaganda and psychological warfare, the art of mind control. The second covered physiology, the ability to inflict death with a mere touch. The third delved into microbiology, the science of biological weaponry. The fourth explored aviation, unveiling the mysteries of anti-gravity and vimanas. The fifth focused on communication, methods for establishing contact with aliens or beings from other realms. The sixth expounded upon the principles of time travel. The seventh book addressed sociology, the manipulation of society. The eighth dealt with light, how to harness light itself as a weapon. And the ninth book was dedicated to the study of gravity. For centuries, people have sought to uncover this clandestine society. Many believe it still exists today, operating behind the scenes of modern science, silently controlling the flow of knowledge. Is this merely a legend? Or is it the greatest treasure trove of knowledge, buried deep within the heart of India? The 9 Unknown Men, a mystery that may perhaps never be solved. Yet, one question will forever linger. If this tale is true, then who possesses this knowledge today?